If you think oranges are the ultimate vitamin C champion, get ready, because today's video will completely change the way you see immune-boosting foods. Welcome back, my friend. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 vitamin C-rich foods for a powerful immune boost. And some of these foods contain far more vitamin C than you ever imagined. Vitamin C is essential for fighting infections, strengthening your immune system, speeding up recovery, enhancing skin health, and protecting your body from daily stress. And the foods we're about to explore are the most potent natural sources on the planet. Stay with me, because each food comes with long, valuable insights on how to use it for maximum impact. And the number one food will absolutely surprise you. Food number 1, kiwi. Kiwi may look simple on the outside, but inside, it carries an incredible concentration of nutrients. One kiwi alone can provide nearly your entire daily vitamin C requirement, making it one of the most powerful immune-supporting fruits available. But what really sets kiwi apart is its combination of antioxidants, vitamin K, folate, and natural enzymes like actinitin that boost digestion. These nutrients work together to strengthen your immune system from every angle, increasing white blood cell activity, protecting your cells from oxidative stress, and improving nutrient absorption. Studies have shown that eating kiwi regularly can help reduce the duration and severity of common colds, making it a must-add fruit for anyone wanting stronger immunity, better skin health, and more energy. Whether you eat it alone, blend it into smoothies, or add it to salads, kiwi is a nutrient-packed powerhouse your body will thank you for. Food number 2, strawberries. Strawberries are more than just a sweet, refreshing snack. They're one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C you can eat. A single cup of strawberries contains more vitamin C than an entire orange, and their antioxidant content makes them an immunity superstar. The vibrant red color of strawberries comes from anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that support heart health, reduce inflammation, and enhance your body's defensive response. Vitamin C also boosts collagen production, promoting healthier skin and faster healing. Strawberries contain fiber to support gut health, which is directly linked to strong immunity. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended into drinks, or added to meals, strawberries nourish the body inside and out. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really supports the channel and helps us grow. Food number 3, broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables on the planet, offering a combination of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium, fiber, and a powerful compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been studied for its ability to support detoxification, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from oxidative damage. Broccoli's vitamin C content strengthens the immune system by boosting white blood cell function and supporting the skin barrier, which is your body's first line of defense. Its high fiber content nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, and since over 70% of your immune system lives in the gut, broccoli plays a major role in keeping defenses strong. Light steaming is the best way to preserve its nutrients, but it can also be enjoyed raw or sautéed for a crunchy, powerful boost. Food number 4, red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a vitamin C powerhouse, containing up to 3 times more vitamin C than oranges. They also provide beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, supporting skin health, eye health, and the respiratory system. This combination enhances your ability to fight infections and recover faster. Red bell peppers are rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your cells from free radicals. They're also very versatile. Eat them raw for the highest vitamin C content, or roast them for deeper flavor. Whether added to salads, dips, or stir-fries, red bell peppers bring tremendous immune-boosting benefits to your daily meals. Food number 5, mango. Mango is a delicious tropical fruit loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, fiber, and a unique antioxidant called mangiferin. Mangiferin has anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties that help strengthen immune defenses and support recovery. Mango's natural vitamin C content boosts collagen production, enhances skin health, and helps fight free radical damage. Its fiber supports digestion and gut health, improving nutrient absorption and overall immunity. Mango blends perfectly in smoothies, fruit bowls, and salads, delivering a sweet burst of nutrients that fuel your body and keep your immune system strong. Food number 6. Pineapple. Pineapple is more than just a refreshing fruit. It's a medicinal food packed with vitamin C and bromelain, a natural enzyme that supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and promotes better immune function. Bromelain helps clear congestion, making pineapple especially beneficial for respiratory health. Combined with vitamin C, pineapple helps repair tissues, protect cells, and support faster recovery when you're feeling run down. It's also hydrating and rich in antioxidants. You can enjoy pineapple fresh, blended, grilled, or added to healthy dishes. Any way you choose, it's a powerful immune ally. Food number 7. Papaya. Papaya is one of the most concentrated natural sources of vitamin C, with a single papaya delivering more than double your daily recommended intake. It also contains papain, an enzyme that improves digestion and reduces inflammation, along with folate, beta-carotene, and antioxidants. Papaya helps strengthen your immune response, improve skin health, and support healthy digestion, which directly influences your body's defense system. Its nutrient profile protects cells from oxidative stress and supports faster healing. Whether eaten fresh or blended, papaya is a tropical superfood with significant immune-boosting potential. Food number 8. Kale. Kale is often labeled a superfood, and for good reason. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, calcium, iron, fiber, and powerful antioxidants like quercetin. Quercetin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral effects, making kale a strong ally in supporting your immune system. Kale strengthens your body's defenses by increasing antioxidant levels, enhancing gut health, and improving nutrient intake. It's nutrient-dense, filling, and easy to incorporate into meals. Add kale to smoothies, salads, or sauté it with a squeeze of lemon to boost both flavor and vitamin C absorption. Food number 9. Oranges. Oranges are one of the most iconic sources of vitamin C, celebrated for their refreshing taste and immune-supporting benefits. Vitamin C strengthens immunity by boosting white blood cell activity, enhancing iron absorption, and helping protect cells from oxidative stress. Oranges also provide hydration, fiber, and natural antioxidants that support heart health and skin radiance. Their balanced combination of natural sugars and fiber delivers steady energy without blood sugar spikes. Whether eaten whole or juiced, oranges remain one of the most accessible and effective vitamin C-rich foods. Food number 10. Guava. Guava is an absolute vitamin C powerhouse. One guava contains nearly 4 times the daily recommended vitamin C intake. It also provides fiber, potassium, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that support immune health, digestion, and overall wellness. Guava strengthens the body's defenses by enhancing collagen production, protecting cells, and supporting healthy blood sugar levels. It's a fruit with a surprisingly high nutrient density and a refreshing flavor. Enjoy it fresh, blended, or added to bowls for a massive immune-boosting kick. And there you have it, my friend. The top 10 vitamin C-rich foods that will supercharge your immune system and keep your body energized, protected, and performing at its best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another powerful health video. Comment below and tell me which vitamin C food you'll be adding to your daily routine. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.